Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Shivaji Dharmalingam. I have more than 10 years of experience in the IT industries. I am going to explain what is Gen AI on this video. What is generative artificial intelligence? Generative AI is a subset of artificial intelligence. It will generate based on our inputs, based on our prompting, it will generate new data. It's a type of artificial intelligence and it helps users to create new contents and new ideas. It's a technology and it can be integrated into various applications. We can integrate the Gen AI tools in any applications while browsing, while content analyzing, doing the development activities to analyze the logs or to manage the servers, anything. We can integrate any applications. Example of the Gen AI tools. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. Copilots, Gemini. Copilot is developed by Microsoft. Gemini by Google. These are the major common Gen AI tools. We have n number of Gen AI tools nowadays in the market, and each Gen AI tool it's based on the different functionalities. We have the different kind of Gen AI tools to generate the text, to generate images, to generate videos, music. Based on that, we have n number of Gen AI tools in the markets. So based on our purpose, we can use those kind of Gen AI tools. What's the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and then generative AI? Just I have given the comparison between these all tools. See, here we can see a image. The artificial intelligence is the global. We can consider artificial global. Inside the artificial intelligence only, we can see the machine learning. So the machine learning is subset of artificial intelligence. When you go deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So if you go inside the generative AI, it's a subset of deep learning. If you go in depth the generative AI, it has the LLM, large language models. So here we can see artificial intelligence is analyzing the existing data. Machine learning, machines learn from the examples. For example, if I am going to filter the spam emails, yes, from the inbox it will filter, it will stop or it will filter the spam emails, it will filter. Deep learning, it is a computation of multi-layer neural networks. Generative AI, it will generate the new content. The generative AI, it will generates based on our prompting. Artificial intelligence, any technique which enables computers to mimic human behaviors. It's the artificial intelligence. Machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence techniques use statistical methods to enable machines to improve with experiences. Deep learning is the subset of machine learning which makes a computation of multi-layer neural networks feasible. What is artificial intelligence? If you want to understand the Gen AI, before that you want to understand the machine learning and then deep learning. If you understand machine learning, deep learning, first you should understand the AI, artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Then only we can understand the machine learning. After that only we can understand deep learning. Then we can able to understand the generative AI. Then we can understand the LLM, large language models, and all we can understand. So what is AI? To perform any task by computer, it required human intelligence. So without human intelligence, artificial intelligence, it won't work. So the human intelligence is the main thing here. To implement the AI, the human intelligence is required. It is achieved through machine learning. The AI methodologies are achieved through machine learning. It's powered by artificial intelligence model which takes an input and produces an output based on its training. How we have trained the artificial intelligence tools, for example, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot and all, it's how we have trained. Based on that, it will generate the content, how we are passing the inputs. The AI tools are already trained and we are passing our inputs or prompts in the AI tools. Based on the input tools, it will generate the output values. How to use Gen AI? There are 4 ways commonly we will use the generative AI tools. To create, to summarize, to discover, to automate. These are the major purpose to use our generative AI tools. Create. If you are going to create any content, for example, audio, video, images or text, if you want to create new images, new text, new videos or audios, if you are passing some text data, for example, I want to generate on laptop images, then if you are giving the input as the laptop is black color and the laptop is open and it's for example at the top of the laptop it's written Dell something name. If you are giving the prompt like that, then we can get the image based on our text. Similarly, if you want to generate a resume, you can give I am 10 years of experience and I want to generate the resume based on my input details. Yes, you will get obviously the new resume. If you want to generate video, yes, if you are passing video content, based on that it will generate the video also. Similarly, audio, if I want to generate on music, yes, if you give the inputs, it will generate the audio also. Create. To produce new and original content, not just analyze or respond to the existing data. It won't fetch the data from existing value. For example, if you go to the Googling, if you do, for example, what is my name, what is my native, if you are searching the Google, it will give some data. Those data are already existing in the servers. Based on that, it will fetch. But here in the generative AI, it won't refer the existing data. How we are giving information, based on that, it will generate new data. Based on our inputs or in our prompts, it will generate. The examples are text, images, audio, video, multimodal inputs. Based on these details and all, it will generate. If you are giving the text input, writing emails, reports, articles or code, yes, obviously it will give our output also. Images, generating visuals from the text prompt. It will generate the images. Audio, producing speech or music, yes, it will produce the music's audios also. Video, creating or editing video content, yes, we can able to create the video, we can edit the content, it's possible. Multimodal outputs, it's a combination of text, images, audio, video and all. Based on that combination, it will generate the output. We can do like that also. Summarize, extracting key points from the documents, emails or reports. If you have the big n number of lines of the data, you want to you did not have time to read the entire page, entire paragraph, then you want to summarize the data and you want to give the nutshell data. Yes, if you give the input, it will produce the output also like that. We can do that. And then generating executive summaries from the lengthy content. Yes, from the lengthy content we can create one short paragraph. Providing quick reviews of datasets, transcripts or meeting notes. Once you are done the meeting in the Teams, it will send automatically the meeting notes also. We can configure like that also from the GenAI. Simplifying technical or complex materials for broader understanding. Discover, to uncover insights, patterns and opportunities from complex or large datasets. Discover the business value and the impact of GenAI on the organization. Encourages identifying high impact use cases and aligning artificial intelligence with the business priorities. It will encourage and it will identify the high priority task. Promotes experimentation to uncover new applications and workflows. It will promote the new applications, new workflows also. Automation, to handle repetitive, rule-based or time-consuming tasks, freeing up human effort for high-value work. It's about streamlining operations and improving efficiency across the business functions. Repetitive and rule-based tasks, for example, data entry, formatting, basic code generation, those are automation. Resource intensive, for example, researching, summarization, initial draft creation for the document. Yes, we can do that. We can automate those and that. It helps to reduce the manual workload, accelerate content creation, improve consistency and accuracy, also enabling scalable operations. Benefits of GenAI: efficiency. It is more efficient. It is the more creativity. It will reduce the cost of the organization, cost reduction. It helps to organizational transformation, to transfer the digitally your organization or transfer to the next level of the organization, next upcoming technologies. If you want to adapt to the next upcoming technology, yes, it will help the organization to adapt to the new technologies. These are the major benefits of generative AI. Inputs are prompts. Prompting, or we can consider inputs. Prompting is short keywords or short values we are passing to the computers, to the generative tools. It is one of the most important skills in maximizing the value of GenAI models and tools. Prompting is a skill that can be developed with practice and experimentation. Example prompts. Question, if you ask question, obviously we will get the answer what we are expecting. Sample code with the errors. If you are the developer, you are getting error in your code, we can copy paste the same code in the GenAI tool. It will resolve the error and we can get the, without buggy code, we can get the bug fixed code. So we can apply the same code in our development actions. Requesting a summary of your file. The file summary, if there is a big n number of lines file, we can give that file and it will summarize and it will give short data. Request for an image based on the text description. If you are requesting an image based on your text, it will generate. Yes, we can get those kind of details. Yeah, that's it. That's about the introduction and the basics of the GenAI. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, give like, comments. Thank you. Thank you for your valuable time.